Hey, Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Going to show you what happens on Google Translate when you enter quarantine. When you enter quarantine as English, translate it to Latin, then flip the translation 3 times. You get some honesty. Here we go. Let's load up translate.google.com. Detect language. Let's click English. Let's type in quarantine. Translate it to Latin. We're going to hit these 2 arrows here 3 times. Ready? Here's how you get some truth. 1, 2. Here's the 3rd one. Now the English translation is turned into that the Jews may make use of the time of the plan of salvation. What the fuck? Oh, holy cow. Why is this the translation of quarantine on Google Translate? Somebody tell me what's going on.